I have this weird thing I do where I keep buying oatmeal, even though I don't even like oatmeal, and bananas, and I haven't been able to eat a banana without gagging since the Freely era of food. So here are some baked oatmeal and banana muffins that truly transform two of my least favorite foods into something I look forward to eating in the morning. You want to start out with 2 cups of rolled oats, 2 old spotty bananas, 2 eggs worth of an egg replacer. You can use a flax egg, a chia egg. I really like this one from Bob's Red Mill. It's super viscous and makes the muffins very light and fluffy. 1 cup of unsweetened vegan yogurt. I love the Kite Hill unsweet, or you can use some sour cream or even Vegenaise. I haven't tried those options, so can't recommend them, but let me know if you do. For your sweetener, you can do a 4th cup of agave, or I use maple syrup. Then you're gonna wanna add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Dream up whatever mix-ins you like. I'm gonna do a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, or you can split that 1/2 cup with a 1/4 cup of walnuts and a 1/4 cup of blueberries, whatever you want. If you have a high-speed blender, blend all the ingredients except your mix-ins. Scrape the sides until it's evenly incorporated. If you do not have a high-speed blender, you can just blend all your dry ingredients in a blender. Mix all your wet separately and then combine them together by hand. Fold in your chocolate chips or whatever mix-ins you've dreamt of. Add it to a parchment paper-lined muffin tin. Then bake at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. I am absolutely obsessed with these. I've actually gone through my stash of rolled oats that I keep buying for some strange reason, and I'm going to be buying more because I love how easy these are to eat in the morning. You can store them in the fridge and then pop them in the toaster oven in the morning, and then you have a delicious, warm, fluffy muffin. Enjoy.